Hi friends, in today's video I will show you a complete VAT accounting software for Oman businesses. So if you are having any kind of business in Oman, trading business, you have construction business, you have manufacturing business, you have trading business, you can use this software. This software support English and Arabic both. So let's start the software. You can see this is our software login form. You can create multiple users here. You can create the user login and you can give the permissions to each of your users. First of all, you can see this is administration account. Here you can create your user logins. If you want to add any user, you can add here. If you want to give the user rights, so you can give the user rights from this panel. You can just allow and not allow, like you can access the users. And here you can see passwords. You can set the password to each of your users. And now here you can see that financial year, you can set the financial year also. So now let's start the software demo. First of all, I'm going to add new items. Okay, I can create the category. For example, my business is mobile, so I'm just creating mobile. Here I'm creating subcategories like iPhone, Samsung, and whatever the mobiles you have, like whatever the category you have, you can create here. So I'm going to add iPhone 16 Pro, and I'm going to add the description here. The purchase price, for example, 12,000 or maybe 1200, and 1500 is the selling price. You can set the reorder quantity here. I'm just going to save this product. You can see this product is on my list. If you want to add this product in Arabic, you can just add in Arabic also. Okay, we have both options, like you can just convert here the language, so you can just add the Arabic also. Now after, when you add the item, after that you have purchase bill, okay, and you have the sale bill. Both we can create. Now this is the code, barcode. If you want to use with the barcode, you can print the barcode also. Now we are going to add the purchase. Before purchase, I'm going to add the vendor account. We have both categories, cash purchase or credit purchase. So I'm going to add a vendor account, for example, Ali Trading LLC. I'm going to save this. Now I'm creating the purchase bill. So I'm just adding the Ali Trading. You can see it's here now. It's a vendor invoice number. And here I'm going to add the item iPhone. I'm going to purchase 5 quantity. So 1200 is the amount. Total 5% VAT. Including VAT is 300. Now 6300 is the total amount of 5 iPhones. If I want to pay the amount to my vendor, for example, I am paying him 3000 advance. Now remaining amount will be go to the ledger. I will just show you the print. You can see this is how it's look like. Here your company will be appear here, your GSM number, your VAT number, your postal code, each and everything, your purchase number, purchase date, item name, everything will be here, right? This is your purchase invoice. You can just print like PDF. You can directly print, or you can convert to the PDF. You can send to the vendor. Now after purchase, we have here the sale bill. I am going to the sale bill. Okay, I'm going to add the customer, or you can make the invoice on walk-in customer, or if you have any kind of credit customer, so you can add here all the credit customers, right? So now I'm going to add one customer here. If I want to add the VAT number, I can add the VAT number. If I want to add the telephone number, I can add the telephone number. Now here I will select the item. Now you can see it's showing the 5 pieces in our hand in the balance. Now I'm going to select 2 quantity I'm selling. 1500 is the price, and automatically 5% VAT is coming. Now you can see 150 is the VAT, including VAT this is the amount. And now I'm going to print this simply. This is the invoice, beautiful invoice. Here your company name, your address, here your seller information. This is the seller information, this is the buyer information, your item name, each and everything you can see. If I just like zoom this invoice, you can see each and everything in Arabic and English according to the Oman compliance. Now after that, we have multiple reports like purchase reports. If you want to see the total purchases, so it's showing 6000 is the purchasing, 300 is the VAT, including VAT is this. If I want to see the date wise purchases, if I want to see the vendor wise purchases, you can create the multiple you can filter here. If I want sales reports, so here you will get the sales reports like total sales, how much you have done. If you want to see the period wise sales report, You can get the report if you want customer wise. Now here, item wise profit and loss. Now it's showing that I have sold 2 quantity. Now 600 is our profit. If you want to see the profit period wise, you can check the period wise. Here the account ledger. If you want to see the ledger of your each of your sales tax ledger, your payable ledgers, you can see your like any customer ledger. So everything will be appears here. Now for example, I'm just going to see the customer ledger. This is our customer Niaz Gul Said. So I'm just going to select Niaz and I'm just going to display this. So you can see this, we have to receive 3150. Now for example, he is paying us via bank like cash or bank. Okay, I'm going to receive in the cash. So I'm receiving cash and I'm going to add the customer name. I'm going to add the narration, receive the payment. Now he is paying me 2000. So I'm just going to print this. This is the payment receipt note. Now if I will go to the ledger again, it will show me that we have received the amount. Here you go. Now you can see our balance is 1150. We have to receive more. If you want to print this ledger, you can print this ledger also. So here you can get every kind of ledger like cash, bank, each and everything. Okay, and now here is the customer balances, your total outstanding in the market, total receivables, total payables, vendor balances, your income statement, your balance sheet, your cash and bank, each and everything you will get in this software. So this is software is very beautiful for every business. You can find the description, you will find our number, you can find our website. Contact us today. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.